Welcome to our exploration of values in religious education, brought to you by Decroly Education Centre. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Values are the guiding principles and standards of behavior that shape our decisions, identity, and interactions. In religious education, they link moral frameworks, conduct, and flourishing. Values provide a practical compass for decision-making, clarifying priorities and simplifying moral evaluation. They shape our character through repeated value-based choices, forming habits and reputation. Shared values sustain communal bonds and cooperation. Religious traditions transmit values through narratives, commandments, and exemplars, underpinning social institutions and continuity. Positive personal values structure priorities and guide long-term goals. Examples include cheerfulness, self-discipline, gratitude, freedom, honesty, and creativity, supporting well-being and constructive relationships. When behavior conflicts with professed values, cognitive dissonance arises, undermining integrity and causing emotional strain. Aligning actions with commitments is crucial. Reflection, dialogue, and education are formative tools for identifying personal values. Clarification enables coherent character and trustworthiness, supporting responsible participation in family, community, and civic life. Sexual ethics are situated within broader moral and cultural frameworks. Many traditions emphasize virginity, highlighting fidelity, purity, and familial honor. Christian and Islamic teachings offer restraint regarding premarital sex, providing ethical counsel to protect individuals and communities. Examples include 1 Qur 6:18 and Quran 17:32. Preserving virginity can avoid unintended pregnancy and related consequences, reduce STI risks, protect against emotional hurt, align with expectations, and foster trust and fidelity in marriage. Forming and committing to sexual values encourages critical reflection and intentional choice. Commitment is framed as self-respect and moral consistency, shaped by faith, culture, reason, or a combination. Values connect belief to behavior and conscience to community. Identifying, examining, and maintaining positive values fosters integrity, supporting personal and communal well-being in a society based on trust and care. Consider which values matter most to you and why. Reflect on how your community and faith shape your values, and how schools can support students in forming coherent personal values. Thank you for your attention. Kindly like and share our videos. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell to receive the next learning video. Feel free to comment and suggest topics you'd like us to cover. See you later.